Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Videos. So hope everyone is doing good. So today we are going to unbox this portronics clamp X. This is a car vent mobile holder, so let's see how it looks. So let's start. Okay guys, let's unbox this and see what's inside. So just open the box and then we can see two different packets inside, and then you can see that the actual clamp is inside and then some accessories given with the clamp. So these are all the components we got in the box. So total three components we got it in the box. One is the actual clamp and then two different accessories. So let's see how to install this clamp. So these are the accessories we got, and then there is one screw type of thing to tighten the clamp actually. And then this is the actual clamp guys. You can see it's looking premium, and then the plastic they have used is really good. It's kind of high quality plastic. It looks premium guys in the hand. And then you can see a clickable button there. If you just click there, so the side guards will open, so you can install your mobile or tab here in this actual clamp. So this is how the clamp look like. Okay guys, let's have a look at the instruction manual given on the box guys. So there are 4 different steps given on the box, so let's install it now. Okay guys, let's install the clamp now. So the installation process is really simple. So you just need to take that rotating screw type of thing, you need to put it inside this knob kind of thing, and then you need to just push it a little bit so that it will go inside, and then after that you need to tighten the screw. So you just need to tighten the screw completely so that it will hold the clamp tightly. So you just need to tighten it completely. So this is how you need to completely tighten the screw. Once it is tightened, you're ready to go. You can directly install this clamp directly in your car. And then there is a lock there, so you need to open that lock, and then so once the lock is open, you just directly need to insert this into your AC vent and then lock it again. So once it is locked, it will not move, it will be stable. So that's how this works actually. So let's go inside the car and see how it fits and how it holds the clamp. So as I said, we need to unlock it, and then we need to directly put it in your AC vent, and then once it is fitted inside, then we need to just lock it so it will be stable. So let's see how to mount the mobile on top of this clamp actually. We just need to press that button behind so that it will open, so the guards will open, so that you need to put your mobile and then close it. We can actually install this clamp on the driver side AC vent also. So I have just installed in driver side AC vent so that you can check the navigation and all easily. This clamp is really nice guys. We can easily transfer its position from different AC vents. Like if you want to remove from driver side and put it on the other side, you can easily do it just by removing the lock. So it's really nice, comfortable and affordable guys. I'll just give you the Amazon buy link in the description. You can buy it from there. So it's really nice guys. So that's how you need to open, and then you can easily remove your mobile also. So that's it. So I hope you guys like my video. If you do like the video, please do like, share and subscribe guys. Thank you.